Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will build a JavaScript class to manage bank branches. You'll learn how to add, remove, and display branches dynamically using class methods. It is a practical example to it's a practical example to understand state management within classes. Let's get started. Our task is to maintain a list of bank branches inside a class. We want to add new branches, remove specific branches, and display the full list at any time. Handling these operations will help us see how classes can manage dynamic data. Next, let's break down the actual code. Our bank class initializes with an empty branches array. The add branch method appends a new branch and logs success. Remove branch checks if the branch exists and removes it or shows an error. Display branches lists all branches or states if none are available. We then test these methods by adding, removing, and listing branches. First, we set up the bank with no branches. Adding branches is simple. Just push the name into the array. Removing checks the branch's existence using index of and removes it if present. When displaying, we iterate over the array and log each branch with its position. Messages gives us feedback about the success or failure of operations. Here's how the output looks for our operations. We get confirmation when branches are added or removed. Displaying branches shows the current lists with indexes. Removing a branch updates the list as expected. This pattern is useful in many real-world apps. Anytime you need to manage dynamic lists like bank branches, store locations, or user contacts. This approach works well. It is a fundamental way to handle mutable data inside JavaScript classes. To summarize, we've built a class that manages a list of bank branches effectively. We've covered adding, removing, and displaying elements with appropriate feedback. This is a great way to understand managing collections inside JavaScript classes. Try expanding this with more features like branch search or updates. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.